Barks Alpha here, reporting for Newshound near a waterfall with your 24-hour crypto news roundup. On today's bulletin, whales scoop up $53 billion in Bitcoin in 2025. MicroStrategy adds another 22,000 Bitcoin. Stake and Shake to offer their staff Bitcoin bonuses. GameStop moves 2,396 Bitcoin to CoinBase. And the Kingdom of Bhutan set to launch Say blockchain node. Let's dig. While many retail investors close the door to the crypto market in 2025, smart money continues to double down. On-chain data reveals that institutional-sized wallets, those holding between 100 and 1,000 BTC, have accumulated an incredible 577,000 BTC, worth roughly $53 billion over the last 12 months. According to CryptoQuant, this massive supply migration from weak hands to long-term institutional holders suggests that the professional class is viewing price dips as opportunity rather than a reason to panic. With exchange reserves remaining at multi-year lows, it appears the bulk of this newly acquired Bitcoin could be moving into cold storage, further tightening the global supply. One shining example of this approach would be Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy, who executed another massive power play over the last 7 days, acquiring 22,305 Bitcoin for approximately $2.13 billion. The purchases, made between January 12th and 19th, were funded through the company's aggressive at-the-market equity and preferred stock programs. This latest acquisition takes the firm's total stash to a staggering 709,715 Bitcoin, representing over 3% of the total circulating supply. Despite current market volatility and relatively high entry prices, MicroStrategy's blended cost basis remains at roughly $75,979 per Bitcoin. And while Saylor eyes his balance sheet, workers at the American fast food chain, Steak and Shake, are set to chow down on a new Bitcoin bonus program. In an effort to boost retention and attract tech-savvy talent, the company will allow employees to receive a portion of their performance incentives directly in BTC. This move positions Steak and Shake as one of the first major restaurant chains to integrate digital assets into its payroll structure. By shifting away from traditional cash-only bonuses, the brand is betting that the long-term potential of Bitcoin will serve as a powerful incentive in an increasingly competitive labor market. Still, it seems not everyone has a long-term view, as retail giant GameStop has moved approximately 2,396 BTC, roughly $215 million worth, to Coinbase Prime, sparking talk of a potential sell-off. This move represents over 51% of the company's total Bitcoin treasury, which was originally built mid-last year with a 4,710 BTC purchase. The timing is critical, as Bitcoin struggles to maintain the $90,000 level following a weekend flush that wiped out $500 million in long positions. And while companies like MicroStrategy continue to accumulate, GameStop's lack of a formal statement has analysts speculating that the retailer may be looking to lock in profits. Last up, the Kingdom of Bhutan is further cementing its status as a global blockchain leader by partnering with the Say Development Foundation to deploy a national validator network. The project, led by Bhutan's sovereign wealth fund, Druk Holding and Investments, is slated to go live this quarter and will allow the kingdom to secure the Say network while exploring the tokenization of real-world assets. Already the world's fifth-largest national holder of Bitcoin with over $1 billion in reserves, Bhutan is now diversifying its infrastructure to include high-speed Layer 1 capabilities for fintech tools and data monetization. This move coincides with the nation's ongoing migration of its national digital identity system to the Ethereum blockchain, marking a total commitment to state-level decentralized technology. That's it for today, dogs. Remember to share with the pack, keep your noses to the ground, and your ears pricked so you never miss a beat. Reporting for Newshound Now, this is Barks Alpha. Yes, I do.